Welcome back with a new lesson, 8.4, the equation of a line. We have three objectives for this lesson. The first one is to find the equation of a line with a given slope and y-intercept. The second objective is to find the equation of a line with a given slope through a given point. And the last objective is to find the equation of a line through two given points. Let us go through this lesson. We have introduced for you the slope-intercept form for the equation of any line, which can be written as y equals mx plus p, where m represents the slope of the line and p represents the y-intercept of the line. So for an example, if we have an equation for a line written in this form, we can directly find the slope and the y-intercept, and also we can draw this line which represents this equation. But if the equation given in another form, such as 8x plus 2y equal to negative 6, if we want to draw this line, we need to find the slope and the y-intercept, which is the other way of graphing lines, not by finding points and plotting them on the plane, but we will use the given slope and y-intercept for drawing this line. So we will solve this equation for y. Dividing by 2, we will have y equal negative 4x minus 3. Now it's clear that negative 4 is the slope and negative 3 is the y-intercept. We can go directly to the xy plane and let us draw the line for this equation. The first step is to plot the y-intercept. So b is equal to negative 3. So you go to the y-axis and plot a point on negative 3. This is the y-intercept. This is where the line intersects the y-axis. And then use the slope. The slope m is equal to negative 4. Always try to write it as a fraction. So it will be written as negative 4 over 1. From the point negative 3, which is the y-intercept, looking to the numerator of the slope, which is negative 4, this says going down 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the denominator 1, this always says go to the right 1 unit only. So the second point, we plot it over here. Now we can draw our line passing through these 2 points. And this is the graph of the line. Notice that the slope is negative, so our line is decreasing from the left to the right. Let us take another example. Draw the graph of the line 3x minus 4y equals 8. So first we will solve this equation for y. Negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. Dividing by negative 4, we will have y equals positive 3 over 4 x minus 2. From this equation, we can say that slope m is equal to 3 over 4, and it is on the fraction form, and it is in the fraction form, and also the y-intercept equals to negative 2. By providing these two information, we can draw our line. So let us go to the xy plane. From the information of the y-intercept, which is negative 2, this means that the line intersects the y-axis in -2. So we plot the point on -2. Then from the information of the slope, which is 3/4, this means positive 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. And the denominator is 4, so we go 4 units to the right always. So if the numerator is positive, we go up. If it is negative, we go down. But the denominator, always we go to the right direction. Now, plotting the second point over here, we can draw our line which passes through these 2 points. And this is the graph of the line, which is represented with this equation. Now, if we have the slope of the line and the y-intercept, it's easy for us to find the equation. An example for that: find the equation of the line with slope 2/3 and y-intercept -4. This is a very easy question. You just write the slope y-intercept form of an equation. Y equals mx plus p, and then substitute in it the values given to you in the question. So y equals m, which is 2/3 x, plus p, which is -4. So you can write it as y equal 2/3 x minus 4. And this is the equation of the line. But if you are given the slope and we didn't give you the y-intercept, but instead we gave you a point that the line passes through, what should we do? Let us see the following example. Find equation of the line with slope 3/4 and passes through the point 8, -7. Also, we will think of the equation with the slope y-intercept form, y equal mx plus b. So the equation is going to be y equals to 3/4 x plus b, which is unknown. We need to know this value. To know that, we will use the information given to us that the line passes through the point 8 and -7. So this point is a solution for the equation of the line. Because of that, we can say that -7 is equal to 3/4 multiplied by 8 plus b. So if we substitute in x with the value 8, we should have -7 as a value for y. By this, we can find the value of b. So p, by simplifying, we will have p plus 6 is equal to -7. So b is equal to -13. We discovered the value of b. So from this work here, we can go back to our equation and write it again. Y is equal to 3/4 x minus 13, and this is the equation we are looking for. Finally, if you are given only 2 points the line passes through, so no slope is given to you, no y-intercept also is given to you, how to find the equation of the line? Let us see the following example. Find the equation of the line passes through the points 3 and -9 and -5 and 2. So y equal mx plus p. Here we need to know 2 information. The first one, m, which is unknown, p also it is unknown. So to find m, first we will use the formula we took it before, the difference between the values of y over the difference of the values of x. So this will be 2 minus negative 9 over negative 5 minus 3. And by this, m is going to be equal to 11 over negative 8, which is equal to negative 11 over 8. By this, we found m. We need to find b. So we will say that y now is equal to negative 11 over 8x plus b. What is the value of b? Substituting the values of one of the points in this equation, we will say that, for example, 2 is equal to negative 11 over 8 multiplied by the value of x, which is negative 5, plus b. So to find the value of b here, 2 is going to be equal to positive 55 over 8 plus b, taking this fraction to the other side, so it will be minus 55 over 8. So b now is going to be equal to negative 39 over 8. By this, we finished, because now we know the value of m and the value of b. So our equation is y equals negative 11 over 8x minus 39 over 8. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.